Nuke laundry simulator beta. What the heck?
Right?
And the laundry requires nuclear material.
This one, I guess. Dude, I got like the dirtiest, crustiest laundromat ever.
What are you talking about? Laundromat? Laundry simulator? What is this?
Yeah.
Oh, you know what?
Let me move.
You know
Let
what
me
time it is.
move.
What do I do with my
It's like the
clothes?
rocket one, right?
I don't know. I don't know.
Swifty, get to cleaning.
Clean
My yard
clothes?
simulator.
Oh wait. Oh look. I think we fill it up. We get the nuke. Let's get the nuke.
What?
An airdrop outside. Dude, I'm outside. No. It's gonna be like free. It's gonna be free money. It's gonna be free money. Give me the money. Give me the money. There's a care package. There are care packages. I mean, it's nukes. It's go inside. There's nukes. Go inside. Don't even bother coming outside. No, there's nukes. There's nukes.
Welcome to Fallout.
Give me this. What is this?
War makes men, man.
I don't have enough washing machine. Wait a minute. No.
This game, bro.
Look at her. Dude, I was the first one there, but I forgot to like take out the clothing and I couldn't get any. This sucks.
Can you only do 5 at a time? Is there no like upgrade capacity?
Probably upgrade your basket.
Basket.
Wait, how do you upgrade basket?
Go to Archie's.
There's a separate thing for baskets in the Archie
Come
store.
on, yeah.
Archie Comics, huh?
You go to Archie's for everything. You broke your leg? Go to Archie's. Your mother is in danger? Go to Archie's. Archie's got it all.
He's calling me mom ugly.
Glups. Glupshito.
Wait. Gold t-shirt. Rich people, am I right?
You know about Glupshito?
I am the blah 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 blah.
Nope, not that one. Nope. Do you know about Glupshito?
Oh, like Despacito of gloves?
No, the Star Wars character Glupshito.
Nope, never heard of that, man. I would know. I think I created Glupsito once.
What? He cut out.
I created the character Glupsito from Star Wars. That's my OC right there.
Glupshito.
That was Edward's favorite character. That's he told me. Mr. Moore, that's my favorite character from Star Wars. Thank you so much.
Mr. Moore, that's me. That's my favorite character.
Yeah, right, Edward. I remember that day. You asked me for an autograph too.
I did no such thing.
No, I get it. You're embarrassed. It's alright.
I didn't do that. I didn't know that.
There's no need to embarrass. There's no need to be embarrassed. You know.
I didn't do that.
It was me.
He's getting so offended.
The favorite guy, man.
I would never ask for your autograph.
We'll see about that when you remember about Glupsito. Once you were like, oh, Glupsito, never mind, Mark. Just take my autograph. Just take it. You're gonna be like, here's my newborn. Sign him, please.
Jesus.
I need that Glupsito watermark on my child.
Just invaded territory.
Time to buy expensive washing machines.
Oh, you're looking at these big boys over here.
Yeah, why wouldn't you look at the best ones?
Because I'm only a poor animal.
Jeez. Man, keep your poorness away from me. I don't got time to talk with the common peasantries.
Oh, he's calling me a peasant.
No, I'm calling you an infidel.
Well, you know what?
What is it?
I learned that word from Edward. Edward was like, all of this, all of that, and I picked up some word from him.
Whoa.
Excuse me?
I got a red glow around me.
I picked up the holy word of Allah from you, like a good kid. Where's the nuke? I want the nuke to like.
You can spawn the nuke, my man. Just get ready to pay. Oh, you can spawn a nuke and create nuclear fallout.
I can see the title. I become the owner of a laundromat. That's an interesting title. Well, what am I supposed to label this as?
I am the laundromat.
I'm the laundry king.
Girl
I
keeps
steal all your
stealing.
quarters.
Girl keeps stealing all good stuff from laundromat.
Laundromat got nuked? To a question mark?
Well, you gotta be clickbaity if you don't get a nuke.
And then in the thumbnail, it's gonna be what's it called? Like freaking.
There you go. Look, there you go. Someone's gonna nuke it. This is guaranteed to get someone to nuke the place. I mean, a PewDiePie shout out, dude. They're gonna want that. they're gonna pray for a PewDiePie shout out.
Oh my god, PewDiePie! Oh my god.
Darn it! It wasted me silver thing on the poopy washer.
You're a poopy washer. You got him. Got him.
The wheels on the way go.
Shut your bitch ass.
I don't think the wheels. I don't think the wheels say that, man. I don't, you didn't rethink your life on that one.
What happened?
The wheels on the bus go, and then you know what? Just forget it.
Oh.
Hey, shut up. Act poor to become rich. That's my motto right there.
Sometimes you have no choice but to act poor.
Oh, but like I have the choice to act poor. You on the other hand, I'm not sure if you have a choice.
He's making fun of me because I don't have a powerful PC.
It's not the PC that I'm making fun of.
Bully.
I mean, it's not a bully. It's not bullying if it's true. On Lewis, yeah, Lewis, come on. We're calling the poor police.
On you.
Why me?
For assault.
Assault.
Yeah.
Nope, sir. I only got sugar. Ha 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 ha.
Get the pep off there, boy.
How much is left?
Like 3,000.
2,249.
2,000. No, you dumb. You dumb. It's like 1,300 something.
Count it.
1,300. Something like that. It's 1,000. Because if you add 8,000 plus 1,000, what's that? 9,000. No, yeah. No. I'm right. You're wrong. Just accept it. Dumb. College kid can do math. Typical college kids.
YouTuber already let the fame get to his head. He's trying to talk down on his best friends too.
Hey man, you're a college kid. I thought you're supposed to know math. You don't know math.
Why do you think I failed it?
You failed. I'm disappointed.
I failed calculus.
I'm in the washing machine.
What?
I'm in the wash. I'm at the big washer.
You're inside of it.
I'm at the big pooper.
I hope she closes it. Let's go. About 200. 200.
He's using a bow. He doesn't know the exact number.
It's not even 93. That would have been about 83. That would have been no 17. Yeah, 83. Can't do math, no, dude.
Oh, she just threw in a big bunch. Hold up, get over here. 2,000.
Oh, it is a nuke. It is a nuke. It is a nuke.
Let's go.
Edward should have been here. The nuke's coming outside.
Where's it at? Where's it at?
Do we really want to stand outside for this?
Yeah, he's going.
Where is it? Where? Oh, the military abandoned us.
Oh, that's a boy.
Nuke event timer. What does this do?
Like our. Wait, the music slowed down.
What does this
event? Well, that's this turns into Call of Duty Zombies.
We had to defeat them with the clothes.
With the power of laundry. with laundromats on our side, we kill everyone. Like, sit down. Just sit down. Pretend it's like the Jimmy Fallon show. So how you doing? I'm your host, Jimmy Fallon. How you doing? How you doing? With that guest, Mega Cry. Psych.